Introducing the 320 series Tactile switch. This switch has been a staple in the eSwitch Tac switch lineup for many years now, and it's clear to see why. The 320 series has 7 cap option styles to choose from, as well as 6 cap colours including black, yellow, blue, green, white and grey. If that wasn't enough choice for you, the 320 series also has room for additional actuator styles that fit over certain caps. This through-hole switch features high reliability dome technology with excellent tactile feedback. The electrical life for the 320 series is an amazing 1 million cycles and has an operating temperature of -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. The contact rating for this switch is 25 mA at 50 VDC and the actuation force is 130 GF plus or minus 50 GF. These great fundamentals and choice of customizable options make the 320 series an incredibly well-rounded switch, well suited to numerous industries and applications. Some of those include performance audio, external hard drives and modems, computer servers, and instrumentation. As always, we recommend heading to eSwitch.com to view and download all relevant spec and data sheets. Thank you for watching.